Hello. If you have installed a new browser on your PC and now you want to install this browser by default in your Windows 10, then you need to watch my new video tutorial. Here we will consider all the necessary steps in as much detail and step by step as possible. The algorithm of actions for changing the default browser includes only 7 very simple steps. And so, we begin. Click the button, Start. Then, Settings. Here we go to the section, Applications. On the left side of the window, select, Applications by default. Now on the right side you need to find the section, Web Browser. Microsoft Edge is installed here by default, click on it. Now we see a list of all the browsers that we have installed in our Windows 10. Select the required browser, I select Google Chrome, and click on it. And Google Chrome becomes the default app in my Windows 10. Likewise, you can set your default browser, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, or any other browser. You can also choose the default player for your video, and in the same way choose the default audio player, or an application for viewing photos. I am finishing this short tutorial, and if you liked my review, support me with like, subscribe to my channel, share your opinion in the comments and ask questions. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.